Hello dear viewers.
Hallo liebe Zuschauer, heute zeigen wir euch, wie ihr mit der Reactor-Node ein Faceswap macht.
Today, we're going to show you how to do a face swap using the Reactor-Node. You might already be familiar with the red nodes from a previous video, but if not, that's okay too. They simply indicate that we haven't installed the nodes yet.
Die roten Nodes sind euch vielleicht schon aus einem früheren Video bekannt, aber falls nicht, ist das auch nicht schlimm. Sie zeigen lediglich an, dass wir die Nodes noch nicht installiert haben. Rechts befinden sich die Nodes für den Faceswap, während links die Nodes für den automatischen Übersetzer zu finden sind.
On the right, you'll find the nodes for face swap, and on the left, you'll find the nodes for the automatic translator.
Okay, zuerst den Übersetzer. Das ist einfach. Die automatische Installation und das automatische Update mit dem Manager funktionieren bei dieser Node nicht, also müssen wir ein wenig manuell eingreifen.
Okay, let's start with the translator. That's easy. The automatic installation and update with the manager don't work for this node, so we need to do a little manual work. If you don't need the translator, in the installation video, we showed you how to remove the tool from the workflow with just a few mouse clicks. Okay. Manager. Install custom nodes. On the left top, click Filter All, and on the right top, search for Alec. This is the correct node, and it installs without any issues. That's it. Now we need to restart Comfy, and during that process, everything necessary for standard use will be installed.
Na gut, dann also einen Neustart, kein Problem. In dieser Meldung werden wir darüber informiert, dass die Reactor-Node entweder nicht installiert ist oder nicht korrekt installiert wurde.
In this message, we are notified that the Reactor-Node is either not installed or not installed correctly. We know, it's coming up. Now, let's quickly show you how the translator works.
Ja, der Übersetzer. Den benutze ich gerne.
Here, you can enable the alternative prompt bar. To use it, just switch to 2 over there.
Hier könnt ihr die alternative Promptleiste einschalten. Um sie zu benutzen, müsst ihr drüben einfach auf 2 schalten. Hier in der hübschen pinken Node den Translator einschalten. Dann könnt ihr, wenn ihr wollt, hier Deutsch oder automatisch einstellen, und alles, was ihr in die alternative Promptleiste schreibt, wird automatisch übersetzt.
Or you can turn off the translator, then you have an alternative prompt to test something out. Just switch to 2 here to use the alternative prompt. Now, let's just turn everything off and switch back to 1. So, now it's getting exciting. Gourieff has released support for CUDA12. That might make it easier to get the Reactor-Node up and running. We're going to test it out, and you're along for the ride. Cross your fingers, otherwise Murphy will start tinkering again until he finds a solution.
Ich mache es kurz. Wir installieren eine frische Reactor-Node, drückt die Daumen, dass es klappt.
Manager. Install custom nodes. Reactor. Search. Reactor-Node for ComfyUI. Through the link, you'll access the developer page where you can read everything about it. We're doing this together with you now.
Ja. Wir schauen einmal auf die Entwicklerseite. Hier. Da steht etwas über CUDA12.
Yes, CUDA12. We should read that very carefully. Okay, then first back to Comfy and press the install button to start the installation process.
Gut, install und dann wahrscheinlich wie immer, Comfy erstmal schließen?
Yes, exactly. Here it already says restart, but we won't do that. Murphy gave us the tip, close Comfy, first, run the install.bat, and then restart.
Okay. Wenn Murphy darauf besteht, machen wir es genauso, zuerst die install.bat.
Alright, let's get started. ComfyUI. Custom nodes. ComfyUI-Reactor-Node. Here it is, the install.bat. Let's run it and see what happens.
Install.bat ausführen. Das ONNX-Model wird heruntergeladen, das dauert etwas.
We'll speed up the video during the download. Exactly. 10 times speed means 10 times faster, but hey, we still gotta wait a bit for the download to kick in and finish.
Das dauert selbst bei 10-fach Speed etwas. Ach, doch schon fertig, juhu.
During the restart, the rest will be downloaded automatically, so speed up the video again.
Das klingt nach einer Runde Turbogeschwindigkeit, Leute. Lasst uns das Video wieder beschleunigen. Oh Scheiße. Was ist denn jetzt kaputt?
What the hell, more errors. Murphy. We need your help.
Oh Zickies. No need to panic. Read the description carefully, you can do it. Did you advise viewers to back up the Python_embedded directory before installing Reactor-Node?
Nee. Geschätzte Zuschauer, sicher zur Sicherheit vor der Installation das Python-Embedded-Verzeichnis im ComfyUI-Windows-Portable-Verzeichnis, das Backup, ihr wisst schon, zur Not dann zurückspielen.
Alright, we're back on track. Enter the command in the CMD window. We'll explain each step to you now.
Ja genau, keine Panik auf der Titanic. Wir erklären euch jetzt jeden Schritt genau.
Type CMD here. Copy the command from Gourieff's page into the CMD window. After you press enter, you'll see the Python version used by your Comfy. Here, we have version 3.11. Close your CMD window. Download the correct version for your Comfy.
Lade die richtige Version für dein Comfy herunter. Wir haben ja bei uns gesehen, dass wir die 3.11 verwenden.
Now copy the download into your Comfy main directory.
Vergiss nicht, dein Pip für Python zu aktualisieren. Murphy sagte, wir sollten das noch im Video erwähnen.
Oh no, we actually forgot. But don't worry, we embedded it into the video afterwards. Okay, copy the command for the pip update. Open CMD window. Paste the command and hit enter. Now we need to install the wheel for the Insightface for our Python version.
Wir haben 3.11, also brauchen wir das, wo 3.11 dahinter steht.
Right, we need the wheel for the 3.11 Insightface, that matches our Comfy installation. Alright, let's copy the command. Open a CMD window in the Comfy main directory. Copy the command from Gourieff's page into the CMD window. Hit enter. Here you can see that we forgot the pip update. Okay, that's it. Now let's restart Comfy and see what happens.
Ja. Neustart. Endlich geht's los.
Bingo. No error messages anymore. Let's check again to see if all the nodes are now displayed without errors.
Yippie Schweinebacke, das schaut gut aus. Komm los, jetzt swappen wir.
Okay. Shortcut 1. First up, let's quickly go through all the important settings of the new workflow. Text to image. Set to 1. We want to use a base sampler without a refiner, so let's switch to 2 here. And, enable base no refiner. Extern VAE is perfect. Portrait, that fits. Turn off the refiner because we'll be using a model that delivers good results even without it. Important. For text to image, always set denoise to 1. Alright, today we're using one of Murphy's favorite models, Mohawk. Here we also need to select, as the workflow operates with this. The options above are just for viewing. With the clip set, you can specify whether all layers should be computed. In that case, -1 is correct. Choosing -2 excludes the last one, which might be better for some models. For you, Murphy suggests that version 1 usually works better. Sampler DPMPP2M is really good, and it fits perfectly with the scheduler Keras. Alright, let's move on. Shortcut 2, there's nothing to do here, no controlnet and image to image, so let's proceed to shortcut 3. Alright, let's move on. Shortcut 2, there's nothing to do here, no controlnet and image to image, so let's proceed to shortcut 3. If you want to use them, switch to 2 here. Let's skip that today, so back to 1. Here you can set whether you want to use the prompt styler. 1 is exclusive for your own prompt style. 2 is exclusive for the prompt stylers group. And with 3, your prompt and the prompt of the prompt styler group are used together. Let's take a quick look at the prompt. An impressive half-body shot of a skinny Gothic woman with beautiful blue eyes and red hair, with that captivates the viewer. Shortcut 4. Here you can amplify certain aspects, but we won't need that today. If all the blue nodes here are set to 1, the amplifier won't be used. Shortcut 5. Laura. Here you can load additional LoRa models. Shortcut 6 ControlNet. Here you can enable the ControlNet group and select preprocessors, but we won't be using them today, so everything is turned off.
Shortcut 7, jetzt sind wir im Maschinenraum, der Schaltzentrale. Fast unbegrenzte Möglichkeiten. Wir zeigen euch heute, welche Einstellungen für das Faceswap empfehlenswert sind und wie Murphy das verwendet.
Now we're in the engine room, the control center. Almost unlimited possibilities. Today, we'll show you which settings are recommended for Faceswap and how Murphy uses them. We start with the default setting, without latent upscale, directly from the base sampler, with bypass through the ultimate upscaler and the hires fix. So we can see what's happening, let's turn on follow execution, even if it gets a bit hectic. Oh, the QR code. We forgot to turn that off, but never mind. Model loaded, the sampler is running. Done, alright, let's swap now. Shortcut 7. Engine room. Enable Faceswap. Insert noodle from Faceswap to upscale 1. Let's also enable the intermediate saving from Faceswap. Sometimes such an interim stage can be helpful. Okay, now we need a face. Well, I think you already guessed it, we'll use Murphy's. He'll probably look good as a lady.
Grins. Murphy looks like a lady. Oder, die Dame wird ausschauen wie Murphy.
What did Murphy write there? Okay, now there will be a better video. Everything looks good, we can leave it as it is.
Hey Leute, die Voreinstellungen sind perfekt, da müssen wir nichts ändern, oder?
Yeah, Seems like we're good to go. The default settings are spot on. Here we can save the model. That'll make it faster next time. Let's call it Murphy. Let's go, fire away. As you can see, it takes a bit of time the first time around, and some models still need to be loaded.
Da ist ja Mrs. Murphy schon.
Now it still looks a bit, well, you can recognize Murphy well, but the image should still look a bit more like a painting.
Stimmt, das Gesicht passt noch nicht so ganz vom Malstil.
Let's add an ultimate upscaler to the mix.
Denoise auf sehr kleine Werte stellen, wir wollen das Gesicht nach Möglichkeit nicht verändern.
Use a low denoise so that the facial features are not changed.
Oh, wir haben nur 2 Upscale-Modelle, ihr könnt über den Manager welche herunterladen. Full HD ist zum Beispiel sehr gut.
We don't have Full HD, but you can download it through the manager. This one here is also not bad. Let's go, fire away. As you can see, it takes a bit of time. The upscale factor you set in the start settings is combined with the value of the upscale node and the value of the upscale models. With 4x Full HD, it will be quadrupled. So, it's better to check the console and cancel if you've miscalculated and don't have enough time. But you can also calculate 8K and more, it just takes longer accordingly.
Gecheckt? Je höher der Wert des Modells und je höher die Faktoren, desto höher die Auflösung und die Rechenzeit.
Wow, for the first try, it turned out really well.
Hallo Murphyline, was ne schicke Biene. Ja, das Auge sieht wirklich nicht so gut aus, und die Haare links wirken irgendwie verpixelt.
Yeah, the eye doesn't seem right, and those left side hairs look a bit off.
Aber das Faceswap-Bild war auch nicht perfekt, und wie gesagt, das war unser erster Versuch.
But the Faceswap image wasn't perfect either, and like we said, it's our first try.
Wer Lust hat, wir machen weiter.
If you're still interested, we can do a little optimization.
Wir werden versuchen, ein makelloses Bild zu generieren, ohne viel zu kommentieren.
We'll aim for a flawless image without too much talk.
Im Video beschleunigen wir immer wieder, wenn nötig.
In the video, we'll speed up as needed.
Also lasst euch einfach mitnehmen auf die Reise.
So just buckle up and enjoy the ride.